Hello everyone, my name is Waverly Noble and I am a first year Experience UGA Ambassador. I am so excited to make music with you guys today, but first we need to make our musical instruments. I'm actually a music therapy major, so I get to do this all the time. It's my favorite. I get to make instruments on the daily in my apartment. But today we're going to be making egg shakers that we can shake along with a special shaker song. All right, guys, to make egg shakers just like this one, we're going to need 3 different materials. One is Easter eggs. Maybe you have some lying around your house, or you can find something else that's like an egg. Anything that can close on the top and is small and can hold something like rice would be perfect. Our next thing is what we're gonna be shaking around. For me, I use some leftover orzo, which is like rice. Do your parents have any extra rice? Make sure to ask them before you make your egg shaker. Lastly, we are gonna need some tape. It can be black or gray tape, or it can be this pretty tape, whichever one. The pretty tape does make our colorful Easter eggs look pretty cool. But if you don't have any pretty tape, that's okay. You could use duct tape, masking tape, any kind of tape. And again, make sure that you ask your parents before you use it. Our first step to making our egg shaker is opening up our egg so that our 2 sides are both open. Then we're gonna take something that will make a good sound. This is just like rice, it's called orzo, but you could use rice, you could use nuts, you could use anything that your parents will let you use that you don't need to immediately eat. You're only gonna use a little bit, but make sure that you ask them before you take it and put it in your egg shaker. So we're gonna take our shaking materials, see what a great shaking sound this makes, and put it in our egg. We have to be a little careful not to spill. So what I'm gonna do is put it in my hand first. There we go. That looks perfect. So I have a good amount of orzo in my hand. And I'm gonna take it and put it right into my egg. All right, we're ready to put our shaker materials into our egg. You can put it into either side of your egg, but I'm just gonna do it on the bigger side, and then I can close the bottom right up. So I'm just gently putting my orzo inside of my egg. You could also use rice, beans, granola I've used before. That one works really well too. Then once we have a good amount of our shaking materials in there, we're gonna close up our egg. And you wanna hear a good closing sound. Now you might think, oh, this is perfect. We don't need anything else. Yes, you do. You're gonna want some tape, because if you don't use tape, all those little rice bits are gonna try to come out, and we don't want that to happen while we're shaking. All right, so now that we have our shaker done, we're gonna pick a kind of tape to go on there. Now I have some black tape, that's not very fun, but I have some colored tape that's gonna make it look really cool. So I'm gonna use my gray colored tape this time. Try something different, if I can figure out how to open it. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and open up our tape. And then, once we get it off, we're gonna take a big long piece and then we're gonna wrap it right around our egg. Just like this. And you don't want it to come apart while you're doing it like it just did with me. All right, good job everyone. Hope at home you are following along and wrapping your egg in tape. We're gonna do one more. In one of the classes that I work with for my music therapy sessions actually made their own shakers too. So you know it's possible and it's easy at home. They actually did it at home while they were doing Zoom learning, but they all made them and they all look the same. Pretty cool, right? All right, we're almost done. Just gonna wrap a little bit more tape around. Then I'll have 2 orange egg shakers. Perfect. And look at that. We have 2 orange egg shakers. All right, now that we have made our egg shakers, I just want to show you some of the things that egg shakers can do. We can shake an egg shaker, we can rattle an egg shaker, we can roll them. That makes a pretty quiet noise though, right? We can shake them up high, we can shake them down low, we can shake it on the beat. Egg shakers are so much fun. Next, I'm gonna be showing you guys a song that you can shake these egg shakers to, so get ready. Hi guys, so now that we have our egg shakers made, I hope you guys are ready to shake them to a real song. This one is called Shake, Rattle, and Roll, and I want you guys to listen to the lyrics to make sure that you know how to shake your shaker at different parts in the song. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it left and right. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it left and right. Roll it up and roll it down my oh my. I said shake, rattle, roll. 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 That shaking sound is so good for your soul. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it way up high. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it way up high. Roll it up and roll it down my oh my. 2, 3, I said shake, rattle and roll. 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 That shaking sound is so good for your soul. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it way down low. Gonna take my shaker, rattle it way down low. Roll it up and roll it down, it's good for the soul. 2, 3, I said shake, rattle and roll. 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 That shaking sound is so good for your soul. One more time. I said shake, rattle and roll. 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 That shaking sound is so good for your soul. Thank you guys for playing along with me.